How to add a subscribe button at the end of your video on YouTube. So first you want to head to YouTube and make sure you're signed in with your account. And then you want to select your channel and then go to the YouTube studio. From here you want to scroll down and click on customization on the left panel. And then scroll all the way down right here till you find video watermark. Now before you upload an image, you should basically have an image that you want to use as a subscribe button. So you can either create it on Photoshop or you can download it from the internet. It should be it should have like a transparent background preferably, so it can blend in with the video like smoothly. So you can look up subscribe button and then add transparent at the end. Now you can basically look for the image that you want to use, for example this one, and then download it like that. Now come back to the YouTube tab and basically click on the upload button and just select the image that you've downloaded. Click on done. Now since we want to add it to the end of our video, we can select under display time here end of video. You can also make it display the entire video or the entire time the video is playing by selecting the entire video. And then you can simply click on the publish at the top right here to apply the changes. And once the changes have been applied, you should go back and simply just watch one of your videos. So for example, this one right here, if you click on the view on YouTube, and if you move the play cursor towards the end, you can see this our icon or our image of the subscribe button is being displayed on the top bottom or the right bottom right here. And you can basically customize it however you want. And if you hover over it with the mouse, it should bring up the subscribe button right here, which you can click on. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.